Caroline from FoodCorps. Very excited to be seeing you all today. We have a very fun cooking activity we're going to do involving red potatoes. Have you ever made smashed potatoes before? Well, if not, you're in luck, because today we're going to be making Parmesan Smashed red potatoes. So friends, have you ever had red potatoes before? They are so good for you, especially the skins. They have lots of nutrients, including vitamin C, B, and potassium. Did you know that potatoes have a lot of water as well? Potatoes have more water than that is in our bodies, which is pretty crazy. So this recipe is really good. I can't wait to get started. And the reason we're using potatoes, the harvest of the month for April is potatoes. All right, let's get started. So before we get started, what do we have to do? Wash our hands. Soap, some hot water for 20 seconds. We're gonna wash our hands, okay? Make sure you're counting. Gonna scrub the insides of our fingers too, get all the dirt off. Soapy hot water. Has it been 20 seconds yet? Almost. So friends, after we've washed our hands, we are going to gently rinse our potatoes because there might be some dirt on them. Potatoes grow in the ground in soil, so that's why they have some dirt on them. They are root vegetables, also known as tubers. Now it is time for the fun part. We are going to start mashing our red potatoes. So I have my nicely boiled potatoes in here. I'm just going to get in here and start mashing. And then we add the delicious Parmesan cheese and olive oil. Woo, we're going to get a little messy here. And use all your muscles to get mashing. Okay? So friends, I saved some of the cooking liquid to make this a little bit easier. So I'm going to keep mashing. And now we are ready. I'm going to add the olive oil. Just drizzle it in here. And the cheese. All right, let's get this going. I'm going to keep mashing, and I have some black pepper that I'll add. All right, let's see how this comes out. All right, friends, it is time to taste test our smashed Parmesan potatoes. See how they taste.
Yeah.
I loved it. Can't wait to hear what you think. I'm gonna put some on my plate and serve it with baked chicken and green beans.